This is Tanvir Kazmi with my news channel See the World Through. Again, I'm here to discuss a very important news of last month where I see one of the countries, South Asian country, the cost of Hajj to Saudi Arabia, Mecca, is increased to $1.1 million. That was very shocking news. What are we doing? Are we making a visit to mosque almost impossible for the people? This is an injustice. It's very, very unfair to discourage people from going to the place where they can unite, become one nation under one God. So reduce the cost. Quran clearly says, Abraham, build this house for me and for my visitors and give them. So when somebody come to your house, will you ask them to pay money to you? You send the car to pick up them, to ask them to give you millions of dollars. Who will come to your house? Nobody is going to come. So do not do this injustice. I would recommend to give free visit, give them free residence, give them free food, give them the best, so the people will enjoy and go in the world and say, we visited the best place. This house is God's house, Allah's house. So make people very easy to come visit here. If you have a problem, build such a big, billions of people can visit anytime. This house is made for God to unite humanity. So we need to change our strategy and give everything free if possible. We can do it. There are billions of people all over the world. So provide visitors a best accommodation and the best everything. And then God will give you a lot of wealth in this world and hereafter. Keep in your mind, He is the supreme power of universe, not only world, earth, the worlds, universe. So when you follow His guidelines and help His visitors and worshippers, think what you will get, how much you will get. So come back to the path of God and give people their due rights. Reduce the cost to a minimum, almost none. Whoever wants to visit for Hajj, that should be free. When I go to visit our mosque on Friday prayer, they don't ask us to pay money to come and to visit and pay all this money to just do worship. Let's change. Give them free residence and reduce cost, traveling very cheap so everybody can afford, and then your creator will be very happy, will give you more. Keep in your mind, He controls the water. If He stops your water, you cannot pay billions of dollars to get from anywhere. If He has trees to not give you fruits, nobody can give you fruits. If He has animals not to grow, nobody can do anything. So don't discourage people to visit His house. Encourage people, give them free residence, everything. I hope we learn lesson and change. May God bring us back to the path of God, and let us defeat together to Satan, who is discouraging our unity, bring us together. Take care. Bye.